Okay, let's see if this is any better. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is a test just to make sure I'm in the right frame.
It's not gonna be a flop. And
I don't know.
it's recording now.
Okay. Close the door. Thank you. Shush, water bottle. Hey guys, it's Brie Cheese and I'm back with another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Brienne and I make beauty, fashion, and vegan lifestyle videos. So if any of those interest you, then what are you waiting for? Go click that subscribe button to be able to see more videos like this. So yeah, today I just wanted to make a video. It's just gray and chill and I want to be on camera, what can I say? But I'm just doing a makeup look that I'm interested in showing you guys and figuring out also on camera. So it's sort of a summer look, stuff like that. Chat with me, do makeup basically. So I have my makeup here. I know you can't see it, but it's just down here. So if I like go to grab something, you're like, what is she doing? And then I have a mirror here, which I don't know if you can see or not, but I don't think so. But basically if I'm looking over here, that's why, so I'm not like blindly doing my makeup because that would be really weird. And let's make all the disclaimers. I have a water bottle down here, so if it makes little weird squeaking noises, that's where it's coming from. So the first thing I'm going to start with, I think, is concealer and foundation because that's what we normally start with. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind. Just sort of looks like this. Yeah, I'm trying to become a beauty guru. So for all I know, everything that I'm trying to show you guys could be out of focus as it usually is. But one of these days it will be in focus. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take this underneath my eyes. So just take a little bit underneath my eyes. Try and cover up some of my blemishes and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm actually going to use my finger because using your ring finger underneath your eye and stuff like that is really gentle because the under eye skin is one of the most, I think it's the most delicate like patch of skin on your body maybe, or something on your face or something like that. I'm just going ahead and blending this in. I'm going to be using this foundation. I don't know where, I keep forgetting where it's from because it looks like this, but as you guys can see, all of the like writing rubbed off of it. It's from like L'Oreal or Revlon, I think from one of those. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to squirt this onto my hand, just get that on there and start applying it. So yeah, I had to put my hair up in some way because the humidity that's happening right now is like not super nice. So yeah, this is more foundation than I usually wear. So I don't usually wear like this much makeup on a daily basis. So if you guys are just curious about that, I don't wear that much makeup on a daily basis. So I'm just blending all of this makeup into my skin, buffing it in with a beauty blender. I don't think this is the Beauty Blender brand, but it's basically like a beauty sponge. So now I'm just going in with a big fluffy brush. I got a brush set from it was from Indigo actually. So like Chapters, Indigo, you know, the same sort of line. I'm also just going to pop on some chapstick because my lips are sort of chapped and I want them to be nice and moisturized. Now to the really exciting part, which is sort of the whole reason why I wanted to film this video, which was doing this eyeshadow look. So what inspired it is I recently got an eyeshadow, I believe it was in my last Ipsy, which was this gorgeous blue color. And I'm not like scared to use blue on my face or anything like that. I just didn't want to look like an 80s chick, so you know, I had to figure some way to make me look still like 2018, but like with blue eyeshadow. So the first thing I am starting out with on my eyes is this, oh my gosh, my makeup is falling, just 1 minute. The first thing I'm starting out with is the Lisa Frank shimmer eyeshadow in the shade Stargazing, and it's just a really light, beautiful, like golden shade. I'll just show you guys here. Looks like this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to be using my Luxie 249 brush. I'm just blending it on the inner corner of my eye and blending outwards and a bit up onto my brow bone. And I'm taking and doing the same on the other eye. So I just want to pack it on in the very inner corner of the eye, so that way the color is very vibrant there. But of course, it's, as you guys can see, it's not a like super a vibrant color as it is. That's just the way the color is. It's meant to be more of a subtle shimmery gold shade. The next eyeshadow that I'm going in with is the Luna eyeshadow in the color Spiced Pumpkin. So it is a darkish, like bronzy, copperish color. I think it's more copper. And I'm just taking the same brush, but just like whooshing off the leftover eyeshadow, because that's a great descriptive word. And I'm just packing it on the brush, and I'm going to be taking this to the in the crease of my eye and blending up onto my brow bone as well. And I'm just blending this up, bringing the eyeshadow and drawing it out and making the eyeshadow look a lot bigger and fuller, and also concentrating a lot of the color in the crease. I'm just going to take the other side of this Luxie brush I'm using, which is a really good blending brush, just to sort of smooth out any of the harsher lines. Okay, so I'm going in with the Elizabeth Mop. Pop goes the eyeshadow in the color Mermaid Teal, or the shade, I don't know. So I'm going to be going in with another brush, Shimis Glam. Yeah, I'm trying to read cursive. Again, I can't really read cursive, so it's some brand who made this brush, and it's a really pretty brush. Okay, so now, as you guys can see, we have sort of a patch on my eye that does not really have any eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this beautiful little eyeshadow here. It's so sad that there's not that much because I'm in love with this color. And you really want to get this on the brush like a lot, and you're going to go ahead and take that right on the empty space on your eyelid. Bring a little bit of that blue underneath my eye. I'm having a lot of eyeshadow fall on my eye. Oh my goodness, how did that blue get there? So I have blue on the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, don't ask. Okay, so as you guys can see, it looks really beautiful. These two colors complement each other wonderfully. So next I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and take this and just really lightly just along the lash line. And all I'm doing is a very, very small amount. Alright, just a teeny bit of black to add some definition. And as I said, we are going to be adding mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to be using the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara in the shade Black, and it just looks like this. It's a super pretty, shiny packaging covered in little stars. And I do like the way it makes my lashes look. However, it's not waterproof, and I find it doesn't stay on my lashes for super long. So if you're looking for a longer lasting mascara, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this one. I'm just putting on a decent amount of mascara. I'm gonna only do like one coat, I think, because I don't like my lashes being too crazy. This is sort of the end result of the eye look that I'm going to be going for today. I really think it's absolutely beautiful and really great, sorry, really great colors for summertime, and I think you could also incorporate it into fall makeup looks depending. So now that we have this really pretty eye look, I'm going to go ahead and I think I want to put on just a bit of face makeup, the rest of my face makeup, like a bit of bronzer just to add some definition back into my face. Bringing this under my cheekbone, and a good way to tell where that is if you can't find it is making a fishy face. And because I'm not super great at doing it, I don't go heavy-handed because I don't know how it's going to turn out. So I'm also just going to take a bigger blending brush and just buff that in. Next, I'm going to take some blush. I hardly ever wear blush, but because this is a video and we're doing like a fuller face of makeup, I'm going to do some blush. So this is the Baked DLS highlighter. So DLS stands for Dirty Little Secret, if I didn't mention. So it says it's a highlighter, but if you guys can see when I show you, this literally looks so much like a blush that I use it as a blush, not as a highlighter because it's so pink. And it's sort of like blush and highlighter in one. Oh my goodness, I'm like blending my hair into my makeup. That's kind of gross. So you get a pretty pink highlight and blush in one. Okay, so I think this is pretty much how much I want on my skin and my eyes. I think it's really nice, but the last thing to sort of tie it all together is some lipstick. So I'm going to be adding this lipstick by Bite Beauty. So this is in the color Fig. It is a really beautiful sort of dusty rose pinkish color, and I'm going to be using this on my lips. Go ahead and take out the braids in my hair. If my hair looks oily, it's not. It's because it was wet, but I think it's pretty much almost dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my hair. And this is the finished result of my like summer festival makeup look. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It is really pretty and I love the combination of golds and blues, and I use it quite often. So just go ahead and show you guys. There you have it. This was my get ready with me / tutorial, although I don't really think it was helpful for anyone in like a tutorial sense. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me put some fun makeup on my face. And so yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below any questions you have or any future video ideas that you think would be interesting. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!